In recent years, the high-speed mass production of fast fashion has drastically shortened the renewal cycle, creating a large number of textile accumulation problems and impacting on the environment. This technology has been developed to reuse and recycle textiles. By separating and recycling polyester fibers from blended fabrics in a single step, the recycled polyester can be respun into long fibers and returned to the market. In the past, recycled polyester could only be obtained from bottles or pure polyester fabrics, but now it can be extracted from blended textiles, which not only solves the environmental problems, but also creates a new source of recycled polyester. Currently, we have established the first textile recovery and recycling demonstration site in Taiwan, which can provide support such as process trial observation and site export planning. And we hope to create the first industrial chain for recycling mixed textile waste in Taiwan by combining different industries.